guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my winter skincare favorites. I'm very excited. So my skin type is combination oily, combination dry during the winter time, combination oily during the summertime. So these are the products that have been working well for me. Usually that's the kind of norm unless you're extremely oily, and by extremely oily I mean like you come out of the shower, your face is like literally sweating already. If you're extremely dry, you come out of the shower and your face is like tight as hell. My face is pretty normal, depending on what products I use. Some of them like will dry out my skin, some of them won't, but for the most part when I come out of the shower my face is normal. So let's get started. You guys, before we start the video, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagrams, and I will talk to you guys there. Okay, bye. Alright, so the first thing that I've been using is the Clinique Facial Sonic Soap Cleanser. This I use to wash my face. It gives me a really nice squeaky clean feel, so I really like that. And then I'll follow up with a toner. But why I like this is because it literally gets off every single drop of makeup on my face. It really gets deep down and cleans out my pores. If you wear a lot of makeup, I would absolutely recommend using this one. I would not recommend closing your eyes and doing that to your eyes with this one, just because it does burn, but like anywhere like around the eye, just right on top of the face, this one is bomb.com. I love this one. So after doing that, sometimes I'll go into the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. This one is very new to me. I started using it this year. I had a ton of samples, and recently, after getting rid of my clogged pores, after getting rid of most of my discoloration, what I'm left with now, that this stage in my skincare game, is pores and larger pores, and I'm just really trying to refine them. So this one has been working a lot. It's a very fine scrub, so it really gets in there, cleans it out, and I really like that. I think this one is really good. It helps the appearance of pores, deep cleans the pores, and helps smooth out the texture on your skin, which I, of course, love. Like, my skin is so smooth these days. I'm so blessed. Knock on wood. Thank God. I'm very, very happy about that. The next thing that I've been using is, of course, and it would not be a skincare video without me mentioning this, and I'm pretty sure you guys all know what it is. If you know what it is, comment below right now. Alright? I'll tell you guys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1... The NEUTRAGENA! The NEUTRAGENA Oil-Free Acne Stress Control Toner is literally my baby. I love this stuff. It helps to treat the acne before it comes out. It helps with sebum control. It helps to purify your pores. It helps eliminate the oil and the shine if you guys are oily. It has 2% salicylic acid inside. It has green tea, cucumber extracts to help with like irritation or anything like that. So this one actually is like a godsend. I don't know who invented this, but thank you so much. And it really, really does help unclog pores. You guys, I talk about it all the time, all the time. You can use your cleanser, you can use your moisturizer, but without a toner and without a serum, you're not gonna see results. So I have a ton of skincare videos. Go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna leave my link to the playlist. I have so many great products that I've used in the past that have helped me in each stage of my like skincare journey, and honestly this has been a part of every single one of those stages. If you guys have like texture on your skin, like if you have those like little bumps inside, if you guys have big acne, if you guys have oily skin and you're getting these breakouts randomly, go ahead and pick this up and try this. Like, I really wanted to make a video just dedicated solely to this, but I figured that would be a little OD. But I do mention it all the time, and I swear to you guys, it really does work. I personally feel like if your skin is very tolerant, you can use it day and night. If you guys feel like your skin is being really dried out, it does dry your skin down because it's sucking out all the oil and all the bacteria and everything. But as long as you have a hydrating moisturizer, that's totally fine. Go ahead and use this day and night. If you guys would like to, don't use it in the day, skip it in the daytime, but use it in the nighttime, in your nighttime routine, if it is very drying for your skin. If you feel like it's okay, it's not extremely dry, then just use it day and night with a good moisturizer, and you guys will see such a difference. Someone mentioned that they were using this in conjunction with their Proactive. I know Proactive is very like specific, like you have to use proactive things with proactive things, otherwise it just, your skin gets kind of freaky, but use this with like a normal moisturizer and you will be a-okay. I recently started using the Ordinary line. This is glycolic acid 7% toning solution. I love glycolic acid, you guys. Glycolic acid for getting rid of dark marks and discoloration is literally bae. I love glycolic acid. I love kojic acid. You guys will see about that in my other video that I have coming up, all about acids. I promise you guys it will be the best video ever. But glycolic acid has helped me so much with discoloration and just kind of refining my skin and just everything. So this one I use in the nighttime. It says use ideally in the PM, no frequently more than once per day. So you soak a cotton, you put it on, you use it as a toner. Yeah, so this is my nighttime one. And I really like this because I feel like it really does pack that punch in the nighttime. And literally I have like maybe a half a pump of foundation on my face. Like I don't have a lot of foundation. Like this is my skin, you guys. Like this is my skin. And my skin has gotten so nice. I literally can go outside in the daytime with no makeup on. I go to lunch with no makeup on. I literally do so many things with no makeup on. And I have worked so hard, you guys. I've been on YouTube for 6 years. I've been working that long on my face. Honestly, skincare is completely 110% commitment and ritual. You cannot skip a day, you can't skip a product, you can't be like, oh, whatever, I won't wash my face. No, you have to. So that's just one thing that I want to really stress out there. If you guys are using skincare products, don't use it for like 3 days and be like, oh my god, this is not doing anything for me. You need to use it until the entire product is finished. Some products take a little bit longer than some, so you might have to go through another bottle to see results, which sucks. I try not to include those products in there. I try to include the products that you can see. As long as you finish the one bottle, you'll definitely notice a difference. That's what I try to bring to my channel and bring in these videos for you guys, like products that actually legitimately work like faster than some others. But these ones are amazing and I would absolutely recommend them. I guess I can talk about moisturizer now. I've been really liking the IT Cosmetics Secret Sauce Moisturizer. I feel like this definitely hydrates my face. It is an anti-aging moisturizer, which it's never too early to start using anti-aging products. I think as long as you hit in your like mid-20s and up, I think it's great to start using an anti-aging. I love the fact that it smells really good. It's very lightweight, but it's extremely hydrating for the skin. So the next product that I use, especially in like the brittle cold, when I feel like my face just is like dying. I don't use it all the time. I swear to God, I don't use it all the time. I use it like once in a while. Like I use it once like this month, but it really, really helped. Is the Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream, the Skin Protectant. If you guys don't wear a lot of makeup and you go out into the cold, into like you're commuting, you're on the train, you're walking in the city, whatever, I would say use this, especially if you don't wear makeup. Even if you're just going out to run errands but it's like brick cold outside, this is really good because it will protect your skin, it will hydrate your skin. You can use this on dry patches, you can use it on anywhere that you want to moisturize, you can use it on your hands, your nails, your brows to revitalize shine. You could do all of that with this one product, but sometimes I like to get just a very little because it's very oily. Rub it up in my hand and just press it onto my face before I head out if I'm, like I said, without makeup. Don't put this on top of your makeup, it's gonna mess everything up. The next product that I've been really liking to take off my makeup with, besides my wipes, is this Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil from DERMAE. This is very hydrating because it is an oil. It's like an oil-based makeup remover. I go ahead and wipe my face off with the wipe, whatever wipe. I use the BJ's wipe, the Berkley & Jensen's wipe, just because I wash my face anyways afterwards. But yeah, after I do that, I will go ahead in with the DERMAE Nourishing Rose Oil, which actually gets a bit deeper into the skin and really breaks up all that makeup, and then I'll go ahead and wipe it off and then I'll go in and wash my face. That's an extra step. I like to do it. It's double cleansing. You don't have to do that step if you use a wipe and then you go in immediately and wash your face. I just find that it takes out more dirt and more makeup from my pores, and I find that by doing that, it helps me with my skin, and my skin looks a lot better when I double cleanse, just because you're really getting a good cleanse out of it. This has argan oil and jojoba oil in it, so it's pretty cool. I was going in order and then now I'm kind of all over the place, but as a mask, I've been hands down obsessed with the DERMAE Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask with activated charcoal in it. They have a whole charcoal line. I actually don't really care to use a cleanser or like the moisturizer, but this baby right here is bomb.com. I'm obsessed. This and then the charcoal scrub is really good. Oh my god, those two are amazing. This one, I swear to God above me, this you put on, if you use it like twice in a week, your skin will be amazing. Even after one use, you notice that difference in your skin. Like your skin just feels a lot more cleaner, and it really does get deep down, and you notice your like breakouts kind of diminishing a bit. And then if you use it twice a week, oh my god, it's amazing. And then you go ahead and you like rinse it off with a damp cloth, or you just kind of wash your face and like scrub as you go. So good, so good. So these two products are my last two, and products that I honestly have given credit to, along with the glycolic toner as well, because I recently started using it and I've been noticing such a difference. But these two products that I'm about to talk about are so, like, they're like on a next level. They're on a next level good. One is affordable and one is a little bit more expensive. Not that expensive though, you can get a kit, but I'll talk about this one first. This is from The Ordinary, and this is the AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial mask. It looks red, and when it comes out and you put it on your face, it literally looks like blood, but it's not, I promise. This has helped me so much with my breakouts, with the texture, and just in general overall my marks, everything that was like left from all of my other treatments. This has helped clear away, and I can honestly say that. All of these products in conjunction with each other, and that's what I tell you guys, this is a routine. It's not just, oh yeah, this is a great product, that's a great product too, that's a great product too, get that. They work all together with their ingredients and the ritual that I do them in. But this one specifically is so good. It had that texture and that stuff like right here. You guys can see it. I don't even edit my pictures anymore, you guys. Like that's how like legit this is. It honestly has refined everything, taken away all of my breakouts, all of them. Anything down, deep down into the pore, anything like low-key bumps under my skin, they are gone, you guys. They are gone. And I really have seen a difference since I started using this. From like my regular skincare, which has helped, and like it was fine or whatever, my skin is a lot brighter, it's a lot more radiant, it's a lot more clear, and oh god, it's like literally under $10, you guys. Like, shoot me. Like, I cannot even believe that. You guys, The Ordinary is one of those brands up there with Arcona. Arcona is a little bit more expensive, but it's a brand that says what it does. The Ordinary brand says what it does. I would absolutely recommend it. Then the last product, this is a little bit more expensive. It's not that crazy though, because you literally don't need a lot and they will last you forever, I promise. This is the Sunday Riley UFO oil. If you are having breakouts, acne, oily skin, any type of like little under the bumps kind of texture, clogged pores, anything like that, you guys, this oil that smells like flowery oil will help you. I swear to God. The scent is not pleasant. I personally don't like the scent. If you guys have a significant other, they might want to turn away from you. But I personally, I don't know, it's just me. If it will help my face and my skin will be a million times better, I don't care if it smells like shit. I will use it on my face. Like, I don't care as long as it works. And this is one of those products that works. It has 1.5% salicylic acid. The dry oil clears away the congested pores, and it really does help with like the blackheads and stuff like that. It says here that it's a fast-acting, quick-drying, medicated oil that clears up acne and blackhead, causing buildup and debris from congested pores. It has tea tree oil, black cumin seed oil to support and clear the skin, and then like some other type of thing, I don't know, I can't even say it, and licorice brighten up the appearance of old acne scars. It has milk thistle and cucumber seed to combat the drying effects of the salicylic acid and any type of hydration that's lost in your skin by using this, which I think is great. It's like literally an all-in-one package. It really sucks everything out, but it also has that hydrating effect too, so it's really good. It's great for oily skin, to acne prone skin. If you do have dry skin, try it out first. Try it out in just the areas where you have the breakouts instead of using it all over your face. One more thing that I wanted to mention, this is the Cortisone 10 Eczema Intensive Healing Lotion for Eczema for fast relief for itchy dry skin. It has 1% hydrocortisone in it. So recently I think it was using some of the Ordinary products around my eye area, or it could have been the Ole Henriksen Bright Eye Banana Cream, which I'm sad, but I have to return it, I think. I had the craziest like rash like right here in my inner part of my eye. I also have rashes like on my neck and stuff like that. That's just how my body is. I'm very sensitive. I have contact dermatitis, so if I use anything that I don't agree with, I'll get like a rash. But this one, my friend Vidya hooked me up with this one. I actually had this in my house already, but she was like, this is amazing, like you need to get this. She has really bad eczema, and she said that this one has helped her so much. So I decided to use this, and I use a very little bit, and I'll put it on the areas where I have eczema or a rash or anything, and this helps so much, you guys. Like, I swear to God, I used this like maybe 2 days as my skin was at its worst, and I'm itching it and stuff like that, and it really, like, my skin is cleared up. My eyes are not like eczemaed anymore, and like my neck, it was like raised and so bad. Now it's like gone down and it's kind of fading a bit. So I like that a lot. So if you guys have eczema or suffering from eczema, try to pick this up. I got this at Rite Aid, but you can get it at CVS, anywhere that sells a cortisone 10 line, and it's the eczema version. Yeah. That's it, you guys. I know it's a little bit of a longer video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I really love doing these skincare videos for you guys because, I mean, whatever helps me, I want it to help you as well. Disclaimer though, not all of these products are good for everyone. It's just because I use it and it's great for me doesn't mean it's going to be great for you. It's just a lot of trial and error. So make sure, as much as I love and rave about these products, and any products in general, I want you guys to do your research on it first. If you are allergic to salicylic acid, don't go out and buy this and be allergic to salicylic acid and be like, oh my god, Reesiibabe told me about this, you know what I mean? Like, research the products first, look it up yourself. These are skincare products, they're chemicals, they're acids. Do your research before you put anything on your face. I will talk to you guys in another video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, and I will talk to you guys in another video. See you later.